How to verify MoneyGram money order. Ensure all the information, such as the amount, payee, and issuer details, is correct and matches your records. Reach out to MoneyGram's customer service. You can find their contact number on their website or the money order itself. Provide them with the money order number and other relevant details to verify its authenticity. MoneyGram offers an online tool for verifying money orders. Visit their website and follow the instructions to input the money order number and other required details. Genuine MoneyGram money orders have specific security features such as watermarks and special inks. Look for these features to ensure authenticity. You can also take the money order to a MoneyGram location for verification. By following these steps, you can verify whether the money order is legitimate and has not been tampered with. Thank you so much for watching.